Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss how to solve simple equations and different types of situations where we are using these simple equations. Still, we will solve some more examples. Okay, now observe. My first question is, if directly they are given the equation form, in that case, how we have to solve? The value of x, if 2x plus 1 minus of x minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 3x. Okay, in this case, how we need to find out the x value? And here brackets are there and both sides variable is there. So in that case, first of all, simplify the brackets. Okay, so this is directly given equation. Simplification is very simple. Now take 2x plus 1 minus of x minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 3x. This is the given equation. Now remove the brackets first of all. So what we will get? 2x plus 1. Before the bracket nothing is there except plus 10. So we need to write as it is. Now here before the bracket minus sign is there, means each and every term is multiplied with minus. That is minus into plus minus x, minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 4 minus 3x. Okay. Now simplify the x term, left side whatever is there. 2x minus x is x. 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to 4 minus 3x. X terms bring this side and constant term bring this side. What will get? X minus 3x will become plus 3x is equal to 4 plus 3 by bringing this side minus 3. So 1x plus 3x, total 4x is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. X will be equal to 1 by 4. That's all. If it is correct or not, check by substituting x value here. So it's checking. LHS of the equation is 2x plus 1 minus of x minus 2. So what we got the x value? 1 by 4. So substitute that x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 2. So simplify this. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Otherwise take it is as 2 by 4 only. So 2 1s are 2 plus go through 2 by 4 plus 1 minus of 1 by 4 minus 2. Now go through with the cross multiplication and simplify. 2 plus 4 1s are 4 divided by 4 1s are 4. Cross multiplication. 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. 1 2s are 2. 4 1s are 4 divided by 4 1s are 4. Minus 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. 1 1s are 1 minus 4 2s are 8 by 4. So which will be equal to 6 by 4 minus 7 by 4. 8 is greater than 1. So minus 8 we have, that's why minus 7 by 4. Now 6 by 4 minus into minus will become plus 7 by 4. Both are like fractions. So 6 plus 7, 13 by 4 is the LHS. And try to simplify it RHS side. 4 minus 3x, that is 4 minus 3 into 1 by 4. So 4 minus 3 by 4. 3 1s are 3 by 4. Go through with the cross multiplication. 4 4s are 16, 1 3s are 3 by 4 1s are 4. Which is equal to 16 minus 3 is 13, 13 by 4. Observe LHS and RHS, both are equal at x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, simple equation and simplify whatever value you will get, whether it is correct or not, go through with the checking also. Now coming to the next type of question. when with the decimal numbers if equation is given, in that case how we need to solve? Solution of 0.5 m is equal to 0.65 is equal to what? This is the question. In this case, same as what? Which value we need to find out? M value is equal to 0.65 given in the question. Now, keep m only this side and another term this side. That is, m is equal to 0.65 by 0.5. See, already we have finished how to divide the fractional numbers, decimal numbers. We need to take like decimals only. So these two are unlike. To make them like, just we will insert the zeros. Now, here 2 decimal digits, here also 2 decimal digits. So both are like decimals, so point will get cancelled. Now, m is equal to 65 by 50. So both can cancel in 5 tables. 5 13s are 5 10s are. 13 by 10, what is its decimal value? 1.3. So m value is equal to 1.3. That's all. Now coming to the next question. A number is, okay, if a is equal to h by 2 into a plus b, then b is equal to what? From this equation, we need to find the value of b. b is the unknown value. Everything is unknown here, but they are asking this equation in terms of b. What is the value of b in terms of other variables we must find. So what is given? A is equal to h by 2 into a plus b. So whenever like this is there, this term keep like, because we need to find out b. So this term keep like this only. For that, first of all, whatever value we need to bring it LHS. So I am doing h by 2 into a plus b is equal to a. LHS is equal to RHS, RHS is equal to LHS. Now I want b value. So first of all, what is extra term? This is completely into we have. So bring this side. 2 is in division by bringing this side into. H is in multiplication by bringing this side division. Means what is the reciprocal of h by 2? 2 by h will come this side. So a plus b is equal to a into 2 by h. Reciprocal of h by 2 will get this side. Okay. Now we want b only. So first of all, simplify that. A plus b is equal to 2a by h. And b will be equal to, we want only b value. This a bring this side. This is plus a by bringing this side minus a. 2a by h minus a. So this is the value of b in terms of the remaining variables. A, h, a. Okay. And one more question. When statements are given, how to simplify these questions? A number is 25 more than its 5 by 6th part. 5 by 6th part. Find the number. So observe this question. They are given the statement. Here equation not given. So first of all, we need to form the equation. So we want to find out number only. So let the required number is equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. Now try to read the question. A number is 25 more than its 5 by 6th part. That means x is equal to, a number is equal to, so that number I have taken as x is 25 more than 5/6 part of it. 5 by 6th part of x more than means plus 25. That's it. A number is 25 more than its 5 by 6th part. That's it. So backside onwards try to write. After is equal to symbol, here onwards 5/6 part of that number is x. 5/6 into x. More than means plus 25. 5/6 of x plus 25. That's it. Now, so x is equal to half is nothing but into 5 into x is 5x by 6 plus 25. Now bring x terms one side and constant terms other side. So this will be x minus 5x by 6 is equal to 25 plus 5x. No, so by bringing this side minus 5x. Now go through with the cross multiplication. 6 into x is 6x minus 5x. 1 into 5x is 5x. By 6 ones are 6. Cross multiplication. Now 6x minus 5x is x. X by 6 is equal to 25. So we want x value. 6 bring another side. It is in the division. By bringing this side, it will become multiplication. So x value 25 into 6. 6 5 is 30. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. X is equal to 150. So whether it is correct or not, check by given relation. LHS of the equation is x. That is nothing but 150. And RHS of the equation is 5x by 6 plus 25. That is 5 into 150 by 6 plus 25. 6 ones are 6 2s are 12. Okay, 30. 6 5s are 30. 25 5s are 125 plus 25, which is equal to 150. Both are correct. At x is equal to 150. Now coming to the next type of question, like this only given. So when word problems are given, first of all form the equation, then try to simplify. Two-thirds of a number is 20 less than the original number. Find the number. So here also statement. Again, let the number problem only. So let the required number is equal to x. Let the required number is equal to x. And given statement. Two-thirds of a number is means is till is that is equal to two-thirds of the number, that is. So given two-thirds of the number, two-thirds of x is means equal to till here finished. Now observe 20 less than the original number. Original number is x, less than means minus 20. So observe this equation whatever I have formed. Two-thirds of the number, that is two-thirds of x is equal to 20 less than the original number. Original number is x, less than means minus 20. So backside onwards I am forming the equation, expression, just observe. So LHS is a two-thirds of x, RHS is x minus 20. Now simplify this. Two-thirds of x is nothing but 2x by 3 is equal to x minus 20. Bring x term this side. 2x by 3 plus x by bringing this side minus x is equal to minus 20 is left on RHS side. Okay. Now go through with the cross multiplication. X is nothing but x by 1. So 1 into 2x is 2x minus 3 into x is 3x by 3 ones are 3 is equal to minus 20. 2 minus 3, that is minus x. Minus x by 3 is equal to minus 20. Minus minus will get cancelled. 3 is in the denominator. By bringing this side, it will become multiplication. X is equal to 3 into 20. That is x is nothing but 60. So what is the required number? 60. Observe that whether they are given a correct or not. 2 by 3 into 60. 2 by 3 into 60. 3 ones are 3 20s are equal to 40. x minus 20, x value is 60, 60 minus 20 also equal to 40. So whatever value we got for x, that is correct. Now coming to the next question. So when options are given, use trial and error method. Means whatever options they will give, 4 options only they will give, no? Substitute all those values and check whether LHS is correct or not. So when objective type questions are given on such type of questions, that will be easy rather than doing the process. One more statement question. 1/3 of a number, 1/3 of a number exceeds 1/4 of the number by 15. 1/4 of the number by 15. Find the number. Again, we need to find the number only. So for that, they are given the relation. They are not given the equation. So with the relationship, we need to form the equation. Now coming to the solution. Let the required number is equal to x. And given that 1/3 of the number, that is 1/3 of x, exceeds 1/4 of the number by 15. That is equal to 1/4 of the number by 15. Once again, see, 1/3 of a number, 1 by 3 into x. Exceeds means that is equal to 1/4 of the number. Exceeds 1/4 of the number by 15. Exceeding means plus, means 1/4 of the number plus 15. That is 1/4 of x plus 15. So now simplify this. Bring the x terms one side and constant terms another side. Now x 1 into x is x by 3 is equal to 1 into x is x by 4 plus 15. Bring this side x by 3. So x plus x by 4, by bringing this side minus x by 4 is equal to 15. Plus 15 is there now. Now go through with the cross multiplication. 4 into x, 4x minus 3 into x, 3x by 3 4s are 12 is equal to 15. 4 minus 3 is 1x. X by 12 is equal to 15. So we want x value by 12 is there. Bring this side. So that is equal to x is equal to 15 into 12. That's all. X is equal to 15 to the 30. 15 1 the 15 plus 3 is 18. So the number, required number is equal to 180. So these are very simple questions. Whenever statement they are given, try to write the equation with the given relation and simplify. You will get the unknown value. Now, another type of questions I will give you. See, if a plus 7 is equal to 11, b minus 8 is equal to 12, c by 9 is equal to 7, 8 into d is equal to 104. Then what is the value of k? Then the value of k, if a plus b minus c plus d plus k is equal to 0. Okay, observe the question. 1, 2, 3, 4 equations given, and they are asking to find out. They are given 4 different equations with the different variables, and they are asking to find out k value by the another equation. So whatever unknown values a, b, c, d, we need to find out from the first 4 equations. After getting those values, substitute here, then we will get the k value. Okay. Now given a plus 7 is equal to 11. So from this, a value will be equal to just plus 7 only extra. So bring this set, that will become minus 7. So a is equal to RHS is 11 plus 7 by writing this side minus 7. A is equal to 11 minus 7, 4. So I got a value. Like that only solve the second equation and find out b value. So b is minus 8 is equal to 12 given in the question itself. B will be equal to 12 is my RHS minus 8 by bringing this side it will become plus 8. B is equal to 12 plus 8, 20. So now B value also I have got. Now coming to the C value, C by 9 is equal to 7. To get the C value, we have to use the third equation. Now here division operation. So how it will change? Multiplication. C is equal to 7 is my RHS by 9 by bringing this side into 9. Okay. C will be equal to 7 9s are 63. Now fourth equation, 8 into D equal to 104. Then here multiplication. So bring this side, it will become division. D is equal to 104 by 8. 8 ones are 8 13s are. D equal to 13. So now given equation, fifth equation, a plus b minus c plus d plus k is equal to 0. Substitute a, b, c and d values in the above equation. So what we will get? A value is 4, b value is 20, c value is 63. So between them minus is there, so minus 63 and plus d value is 13 plus k is equal to 0. Now simplify all these numbers first. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 13. 24 plus 13, 37. So plus 37 minus 63 plus k is equal to 0. Now 13 is 63 is greater than 37. So what is the difference between these two? Find out first. 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay. 5 minus 3 is 2. And because 63 is greater, so minus 26 plus k is equal to 0. Then k will be equal to minus 26 by bringing this side plus 26. So what is the value of k? 26. So here indirect total 4 equations given and another fifth equation also given. From the first 4 equations we can find out the unknown values because only one variables are given. So simple equations, all these first 4. But coming to the fifth equation, here so many variables are there. Even though so many variables, first of all we have founded all the values by the given relations, and we are finding final variable value. Okay, so like this indirectly they will give in some cases. Now next one more different type of question. Whatever we did not finish such type of questions, I am telling again. The difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers is 95. two consecutive numbers is 95. Find the numbers. So already I have explained for you difference between squares. This one keep aside. First of all, what are they given? Consecutive numbers, two consecutive numbers. So whenever two consecutive numbers means what are the numbers I told you? X, x plus 1, x plus 2, like that we must take as it. And consecutive even numbers in the sense 2x, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 4, like that we must take. And consecutive odd numbers in the sense 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5, like that. The complete pattern also I have explained. Now coming to this question, so let the two consecutive numbers are x, x plus 1. Okay, only two numbers. If they are asking 3, x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, like that. Now coming to the given condition. Given difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers. Difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers is equal to 95 given in the question. So for this statement, how we can write in the expression form? Just observe. Difference between the squares of square is nothing but if I have 2, what is the square value of 2? That is 2 is multiplied twice. Square means it is multiplied twice. That is nothing but 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So suppose I want a square value of 5. That is nothing but 5 square. 5 into 5, 25. Like that only. Square of x and x plus 1 whole square. See, difference is nothing but greater number minus smaller number. So x is the smaller number and x plus 1 is the greater number. So greater number minus smaller number. When I am asking square of 2 is 2 square. Square of 5 is 5 square. Square of 7 is 7 square. Square of 9 is 9 square. At the same time, square of x is x square. Square of x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square. And here x plus 1 is greater than x. So difference is nothing but greater number minus smaller number. Difference between the squares. Squares means x plus 1 whole square is there and x square is there. For the given numbers, we need to find out their squares. And their difference is equal to 95. Okay. Now, so difference is nothing but greater number minus smaller number. And what are those numbers? Squares of the two consecutive numbers. Square of x is x square. Square of x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square. So the difference, greater number is x plus 1. Square they have also, so x plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 95. Now, it is in which form? A plus b whole square form. Simplify that. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? So we have already studied in the 6th class. Total identities you have studied in algebraic expressions. A square plus 2ab plus b square is the formula for a plus b whole square. So like this only we have in place of a x, in place of b is 1. So x plus 1 whole square we must find now. Means wherever a is there, substitute x. That is a square in the sense x square plus 2 is the constant. A value is x, b value is 1. And b square is nothing but 1 square. I hope you understood now. So here we will do that same thing. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, that is 1 square, minus x square is the another term, is equal to 95. Okay. Now simplify this first. X square we can't simplify, that only the simplified form. And 2 into 1, 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 into x is 2x. Plus 1 square, that is nothing but 1 multiplied twice. 1 into 1, 1 itself. Minus x square. is equal to 95. Plus x square minus x square plus x square minus x square both will get cancelled. Now 2x plus 1 is equal to 95. Just observe what we got, simple equation. Simplify now. 2x is equal to 95 minus 1. X is equal to 95 minus 1 is 94 by, here into 2 by bringing this side by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are. X is equal to 47 and x plus 1 is equal to 48. So those two consecutive integers are, numbers are 47 and 48. This type of questions are very, very important. So observe once again. They are given that difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers is 95. So let the two consecutive numbers as x and x plus 1. So according to the condition, squares of those two numbers is x square and x plus 1 whole square. Difference is nothing but greater number minus smaller number. So greater number is x plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 95. X plus 1 whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. So apply the formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So instead of a, what we have x. Instead of b, we have 1. So in place of a, substitute x. In place of b, substitute 1. That is a square. So right side, what is there? A square. A square means in place of a, what we have x. So x square plus 2ab. In place of a, x. In place of b, 1 we have. 2 into a into b, that is 2 into x into 1 plus b square. B plus 1 we have, so 1 square. Next term as it is, minus x square is equal to 95. Now simplify first of all. So x square is x square only. 2 1s are 2. 2 into x is 2x. 1 square is 1 minus x square. Plus x square minus x square both will get cancelled. So finally we got the simple equation. Now as usual do the procedure. That's all. Then you will get the two consecutive numbers. So one is 47, other is 47 plus 1, 48. Okay. Now coming to the next problem. Okay, observe this problem. Find two consecutive odd numbers such that 2/5 of the smaller 2/5 of the smaller exceeds 2/9 of the larger by 4. So this is the given statement and some, just observe here. Find two consecutive odd numbers they're telling. So let two consecutive odd numbers are 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3. Okay. Now, such that 2/5 of the smaller one. So 2n plus 1 only the smaller one rather than 2n plus 3. Smaller exceeds 2/9 of the larger by 4. That is, so given 2/5 of the smaller is equal to 2/9 of the larger exceeds means plus by 4. That's all. So 2/5 of the smaller number is 2n plus 1. 2 by 5 into 2n plus 1 is equal to 2 by 9 into 2n plus 3 plus 4. So this is completely one term. Now simplify these terms. 2 into 2, 4, 4n by 5 plus 2 by 5 into 1 is 2 by 5 is equal to, multiply this, remove the brackets first of all. 2 2s are 4, n by 9 plus 2 3s are 6 by 9 plus 4. So keep constant aside. Now bring n terms one side and constant terms other side. 4n by 5 minus 4n by 9, because it is at LHS, RHS side, I am bringing it LHS, plus 4n by 9 by bringing this side, it will become minus 4n by 9. Now, what are the remaining numbers at RHS? 6 by 9 plus 4 plus 2 by 5 will become minus 2 by 5. That's all. So now go through with the cross multiplication. 4n is common. Otherwise, go through with the cross multiplication. 9 4s are 36n minus 5 4s are 20n divided by 9 5s are 45 is equal to, here take LCM because 3 numbers are we have. 9 1 5. 9 5s are 45 will be the LCM. 9 table when we are getting 45, 9 5s are. Okay. So 5 6 are 30 plus 1 into 45, 45 into 4, 45 into 4 is nothing but 4 5 is 20, 4 4 is 16, so 180 will get. Minus 5, in 5 table when we are getting 45, 5 9s are 45, so 9 2s are 18. That's it. Now bring 36n minus 20n, 36 minus 20, 16n is equal to 30 plus 180, 210. 210 minus 18 is 192 by 45. Here by 45 is there actually. So I am bringing this side. It will become into 45. 45, 45 will get cancelled. N is equal to 192 by 16. Here into 16. So 16 ones are 16. 32. 16 twos are 32. N is equal to 12. Therefore, the required numbers are 2n plus 1. That is equal to 2 into 12 plus 1. 12 twos are 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. And 2n plus 3 is nothing but just 25, 24 plus 3. That is nothing but 27. So, next number is 27. 25 and 27 are the consecutive odd numbers which satisfy the given condition. Now, age related problem. Okay, observe this question. Reena is twice as old as Sunita. Means Reena's age represented in terms of Sunita. So let the Sunita's age is equal to X. Reena's age will become twice of X. That's from the first sentence. Let Sunita's age, second person is Sunita. Sunita's age is equal to X years. Therefore, given that Reena's age will be equal to twice of Sunita, that is 2 into x years. Okay. Now, 3 years ago, she was 3 times as old as Sunita. 3 years ago, whatever their ages, write down. 3 years ago, Sunita's age will be equal to, ago means before. So Sunita's age will be equal to x minus 3 years. And Reena's age will be equal to, present age is 2x. Before 3 years, 2x minus 3. Ago means before, latter means after. Okay, hence means after. Remember this. Now, they are given the condition. 3 years ago, she was 3 times as old as Sunita. Reena's age 3 years ago is 3 times of Sunita's age. 3 years ago, Reena's age is equal to 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 times of Sunita's age before 3 years. That's all. This is the given relation. Find out x from this. They are asking to find out the age of Reena only, not about Sunita. So Reena means 2x value we must find. First of all, simplify this. Remove the bracket at the RHS side. 3 into x is 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Now bring variables one side and constants another side. So 2x plus 3x by bringing this side minus 3x, and minus 9 I have at RHS side, minus 3 by bringing this side plus 3. 2x minus 3x, that is minus x, equal to minus 6. Minus 9 plus 3, minus 6. Minus minus will get cancelled. So x is equal to 6 years. But x is the age of Sunita. Whose age they are asking now? Present age of Reena. Reena's age is equal to 2x, that is 2 6 12 years. Okay. Okay, let us take some of the inequations. So yesterday I have explained what is meant by inequation. Inequation is nothing but if the two expressions are related with the inequality symbol, that is not equal. Not equal in the sense of greater, lesser, greater than or equal. If we are getting such type of symbols between two expressions, that is known as inequation. So in case of equation, exact one value will get for the unknown value. But in case of inequations, we will get more than one value. We will see now with the examples. Solve the following inequations. Solving is nothing but finding the unknown value. Solve the following inequations. So my first inequation is x plus 5 is equal to 7. Lesser. Equal to means is the equation. Now it is an inequation. And x belongs to R. R is nothing but real numbers. All numbers will come into R. Now x plus 5 is lesser than 7 telling. This is inequation. And what are the two sides of that inequation? LHS is x plus 5 and RHS is 7. We need to find out the variable x value now. So same as go through with the without transposing method. Then how we will do? So x plus 5 is lesser than 7 is my given inequation. To remove plus 5, I need to add minus 5 on both sides. Additive inverse of plus 5 is minus 5. On both sides, what I will get? X plus 5 is my LHS. I am adding minus 5. Lesser than 7, I am adding minus 5. So whenever you are adding or subtracting a negative number, there is on both sides, there is no problem for inequation. Whenever you are multiplying and dividing with the negative number, then only signs will interchange. Okay, remember that. Only one difference is there between inequation and equation. Now plus 5 minus 5 will get cancelled. X is lesser than 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. That means all the lesser value of 2 means 1, 0, every value, even decimal values also, less than 2. Whatever values are there, less than 2. For suppose I want to represent it is by using number line 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, and so on. So x value is less than 2 means here onwards every value, even before 2 also, any value we will get for x. So infinite solutions, less than, not exact solution. If it is equation x is equal to 2 means just x value 2 will round off, that's it. Understood? Now coming to the next type of inequation. Four x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 7. X belongs to integers. Now simplify by transposing method. So x value we need to find. -3 bring this side, it will become +3. 4x is greater than or equal to 17 plus 3 is 21. Sorry, 20. 17 plus 3 is 20. X is greater than or equal to 20 by plus 4. If it is -4, in that case, this greater than or equal to will change as lesser than or equal to. 4 ones are 4 fives are. X is greater than or equal to 5. That means all the x value may be equal to 5 or more than 5. Okay, any value will satisfy this condition. Means if I am taking x equal to 6, 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 3, 21. 21 is greater than 17. So for any value which is greater than or equal to 5, will satisfy this inequation. Okay. Now coming to the next type of question. 3x minus 2 is less than 1. X belongs to capital N. Natural numbers only. Now 3x lesser than 1 minus 2 by bringing this at plus 2. 3x is lesser than 1 plus 2 is 3. X is lesser than 3 by 3. So plus 3 only bringing this side. There is no problem. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. X is lesser than 1 means all the less than 1 values. Actually x is less than 1 means x belongs to n. Less than 1 any value is there? No. Okay. So x less than 1 but x belongs to n. Before 1, n starts with 1 only. Therefore, the solution, there is no solution for the given inequation. There is no solution for the given inequation. Why? Because x belongs to n given. N means n natural numbers are starting with 1, 2, 3 and so on. And here we got the solution x is lesser than 1. Lesser than 1, any values are there in the set of natural numbers? No, that means for this inequation there is no solution in the set of natural numbers. If they are given whole numbers, then x is lesser than 1 means x value will be equal to 0 because whole numbers are starting with 0, 1, 2 and so on. Yes or no? So less than 1 means only one value is there, that is equal to 0. That's all. In case of whole number. But it is given, mentioned as those are belongs to natural numbers. Less than 1, there is no natural number. That means solution set is not there for the given inequation. Now coming to the another one more equation. Inequation. So one question I am giving. The solution set of x is lesser than 4. The solution set of x is lesser than 4 and x belongs to n. Natural numbers are starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Yes, and they are asking to find out the solution set of inequation x is lesser than 4. X is lesser than 4. Which values will satisfy in the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3. It is equal to 4. So we will not take. Therefore, x belongs to either 1 or 2 or 3. They have mentioned x is belongs to n. For that sake only, which are lesser than 4, those values we are selecting for x. Okay, once again listen whatever topics we have finished in this chapter I am telling. Simple equations, complete revision I have given now. So in this simple equations, again we have studied about inequation also. Equation is nothing but when two expressions are related with equal to symbol, that is known as a equation. And if the equation is having only one variable, it is a simple equation. Okay, and for every simple equation can be we can solve in three methods: trial and error method, and transposing method, without transposing method. So all this we have studied, and also we have studied different types of daily questions how to solve by using the simple equations which we are facing in our daily life situations. In that, number related problems we have studied, that means consecutive numbers or even number, or what is that number, like that. So many questions we have done on the number related problems. And next, age related problems also we have simplified. Money, number of 50 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, like that questions also we have simplified. Next, so many questions like length, geometry. In case of geometry, how we are finding the length, breadth of the rectangular side of the square, like that. So in all those cases we have used the simple equation and we simplified. Okay, now inequations also we are simplified. Inequation is nothing but if the two expressions are related with the greater, lesser, greater than or equal, lesser than or equal, that means inequality symbol, which they are related with the inequality symbol, then that is known as an inequation. And for inequation also, solution method is same, but only the difference is when we are adding, subtracting a positive number or anything with the positive numbers, multiplying, dividing with the positive numbers, there is no change in the greater or lesser, like this will not affect. But whenever we are dividing with, for suppose my inequation is minus 2x is lesser than 5, like that, 4 I have. In this case, this is inequation because it is related with less than symbol, inequality symbol. Now, x value I need to find. So by bringing this minus 2 means it is into operation. I need to apply the division operation. So x, here negative integer I am taking. So this sign will change as greater, 4 by minus 2. Whenever you are multiplying a negative number or dividing with the negative number, in that case these signs will interchange. That's all. Remaining everything is same in case of equations and inequations. And solution of the equation is nothing but finding the unknown value. And it is also called as root of the equation. Okay. So this is about complete explanation where we are using the simple equations. What is a simple equation? What are the methods of solving the simple equation? All this we have studied in this chapter. Okay. Further, we will learn deeply about simple equations and algebraic expressions also. And next, we are going to start a new chapter. Tomorrow, we will continue the class with that chapter.